Okay, I have got a Whirlpool Cabrio Platinum washer. It's about 3 years old. Top of the line for this series. It's in excellent, like new condition. It does have one tiny little ding right here from moving it. That is practically the only flaw on this machine. And I'm going to go ahead and run a full load, mostly jeans, couple towels in there. It's very easy to use. You just set it on what you want to set it on. I do normal, high spin speed, and warm, no fabric softener. Just hit start. And essentially it'll run through the whole cycle, and I'm going to let you listen to it agitate, let you listen to it spin in that really fast spin cycle. That way you know that it does in fact work. I always like to know that when I spend my money on anything. So I won't be able to open because it does lid lock, which is great for safety, especially with how fast these spin, but you'll at least be able to listen to it. So I'm going to let it run through its cycle, and we'll come back for the agitate and for the spin. Alright, and it is agitating right now. It's nice and quiet. It's one of the really cool things about these high efficiency washers. So they're nice and quiet, and they get your clothes really clean. So that's really what it sounds like when it agitates, and then it goes through a cycle of rinsing, filling up, draining, and it takes right about an hour. So we will come back for the spin cycle. It's launching into the rinse cycle and draining out all the water right now. It comes up through that hose there. Okay, we're on the final spin. It's in a high speed spin. It's got about 5 minutes left to go. It's actually spinning extremely fast, so much so that when it's done, those clothes are very light. They take no time at all to dry. But you see, it's nice, smooth operation. Sounds great. The important things to check for, would be like off balance or any weird squeals or sounding like a freight train on these guys. This one sounds great. And it also cycles that pump on and off in the last 5 minutes as it spins the additional water out. So there you have it. I'm going to let this finish up, and appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.